In this quick tutorial, we are going to show you that how to make 30 or 60-second video on TikTok. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Firstly, you have to open the TikTok app. Now click on this plus mark and you can see here a lot of options like 15 seconds, 60 seconds. Click on this and start to make here. This video will pause this video. Click on this check mark and upload it on your profile. Click on the next and upload it to your profile. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.